Today we're working on a 2012 Dodge Caravan that occasionally stalls as is approaching a stop. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, when you think about engine stalling, you always think about things like fuel injection or ignition or anything related to the engine. But it's not always necessarily the case. On this particular vehicle, we were having a problem with the transmission. And so the transmission was actually kind of seizing. And so as the client coasted down to a stop, it would either falter the engine or it would stall the engine. And so we're replacing a high quality transmission with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. I'm sorry, 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty. And this is the old transmission. Our master technician is doing a great job on it, and we will have this client on the road within 2 days. So thanks for watching. I hope this has been informational to you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.